How can I make a contact us button in SwiftUI that will open the default mail app in my user's phone and have my email address in the to section of a new draft? So to do this, all I have to do is first have my email in the form of a string and then use an if-let statement that does two things. The first thing is it'll make an email link, which basically just makes my email into a URL. And we can use that with UI application.shared.can_open link to make sure that that link can actually be opened, because otherwise we don't want to just go ahead and try and open it because we don't want any errors or crashes in our app. And so if both of those conditions are met, we will use UI application.shared.open with that specific link. One thing I did add here is an else if let statement, and this is just in case the user doesn't have the default mail app by Apple installed. And there are more complex workarounds so that we can support other mail apps as well, but since this is a simple app, I don't want to get into those, and instead what I would rather do is just open a URL to my app website, or just my website which has my email listed, so that those users can also find a way to contact me. Happy coding!